Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. This morning I made the stupid mistake of watching one of those videos that you may have seen yourself, wherein a native speaker proclaims the truth about the language and tells you what you should and shouldn't say or do. Usually I would recommend taking any of these kinds of videos, including my own, with a pinch of salt, because all of us are limited by our own experience. Generally, we can only report what's true for us rather than what's true for everyone. In this particular video, this particular native speaker, expert so-called, was telling viewers that in English we never say do sport. As soon as I heard this, I thought, well, that's complete rubbish. People say it all the time. They say, yeah, my son's doing quite a lot of sport at the moment. He's got football on a Thursday and he plays badminton on Tuesday mornings. Do you do much sport? No, not as much as I used to. I should probably do a bit more sport to get myself in shape these days. So, as I was watching this so-called expert tell people that we never say do sport, I shouted out in disbelief at YouTube, "Says you!" I beg to differ myself. We often say "says you" as a response when we want to say that we think what someone is saying isn't a fact, it's just their opinion, and that we disagree with it and think they're wrong. Maybe you're discussing a legal case that's in the news a lot at the moment, and one of your friends says he's obviously guilty, as though it was a fact. You might disagree, so you can respond by saying, "Says you, I think he's innocent myself." I often use this expression when people make statements about the English or what we do or what we're supposed to believe, as though they somehow represent the whole country. When I hear people say things like, well, the English love the Queen. As an English person, I know that we all feel the same way about the royal family. Says you. Not all of us agree. Not all of us feel that way. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, your pets, your grandparents. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of little dialogues, little conversations where you think you could use "says you"